Hey there, camera lovers! Are you ready to capture breathtaking moments without breaking the bank? Well, today we're counting down the top 5 best budget mirrorless cameras of 2025 that give you pro-level performance for an affordable price. Number 1. The Canon EOS R50 is an excellent entry-level mirrorless camera designed for photography enthusiasts and content creators. Compact yet powerful, it offers a 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering high-quality images with vibrant colors and impressive detail. The camera's Digic X processor ensures fast performance, making it suitable for shooting in various conditions, from low light to fast action. One of the standout features of the Canon EOS R50 is its ability to shoot 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, making it a great option for vloggers and video creators. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF ensures fast and accurate autofocus, even when recording video or capturing moving subjects. The R50 also has a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for beginners while offering enough control for more advanced users. Its lightweight design and compatibility with Canon RF lenses provide flexibility and portability. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, sharing photos and videos is easy and fast. Whether you're just starting in photography or looking for a reliable, portable camera for daily shooting, the Canon EOS R50 is an ideal choice that balances performance, versatility, and ease of use. Number 2. The Sony A6400 is a versatile mirrorless camera, ideal for both photographers and videographers. It features a 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor that delivers stunning image quality, with sharp details and vibrant colors. The camera is powered by Sony's Bionz X image processor, which ensures fast performance and excellent low-light capability. One of the standout features of the Sony A6400 is its real-time autofocus and real-time tracking technology, making it incredibly reliable for capturing fast-moving subjects. This autofocus system is one of the best in its class, ensuring that you never miss a shot, whether you're photographing sports, wildlife, or portraits. For video creators, the A6400 offers 4K UHD video recording with no time limit, making it perfect for vlogging, interviews, or long-form video content. The camera also includes a 180-degree tilting touchscreen, which is great for selfies and vlogging. In terms of design, the A6400 is compact and lightweight, making it an excellent choice for on-the-go shooting. It also offers built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy file transfer and remote control via a smartphone. Overall, the Sony A6400 provides excellent performance in a portable and user-friendly package. Number 3. The Nikon Z50 is a compact and powerful mirrorless camera, perfect for enthusiasts and beginners looking to step up their photography game. It boasts a 20.9-megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering high-quality images with rich detail and vibrant colors. Powered by Nikon's X6 image processor, the Z50 excels in various lighting conditions and offers fast, responsive performance. One of the camera's standout features is its hybrid autofocus system, which uses 209 focus points to ensure sharp and accurate focusing, whether you're shooting stills or video. The eye detection AF feature is particularly helpful for capturing sharp portraits, locking onto subjects' eyes with precision. For video creators, the Nikon Z50 offers 4K UHD video recording with no crop, providing sharp and professional quality footage. It also includes a flip-down touchscreen, which makes vlogging and selfies easy and intuitive. With a lightweight and ergonomic design, the Z50 is highly portable and comfortable to use for long shooting sessions. It's also compatible with Nikon's Z-mount lenses, giving users access to a range of high-quality optics. Additionally, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity allow for seamless file sharing and remote control via a smartphone. The Nikon Z50 is an excellent all-around camera that balances performance, portability, and versatility. Number 4. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is a compact and lightweight mirrorless camera, perfect for photography enthusiasts and travelers. Equipped with a 20.3-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor, this camera delivers high-quality images with vibrant colors and excellent detail, making it a great choice for everyday photography. One of its key features is the 5-axis image stabilization, which helps reduce camera shake and ensures sharp photos and steady videos, even in low light or when shooting handheld. The camera also supports 4K video recording, making it ideal for vloggers and videographers looking for smooth, high-resolution footage. The flip-down touchscreen makes it easy to capture selfies or vlog, while the camera's lightweight design makes it highly portable, perfect for travel and outdoor shooting. The OMD EM10 Mark IV also includes built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing users to easily share images or control the camera remotely through a smartphone. For beginners, the camera offers easy-to-use automatic shooting modes, but it also provides full manual controls for more advanced users. With its retro-inspired design and a wide range of compatible Micro Four Thirds lenses, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is a versatile, stylish, and high-performing camera. Number 5. The Panasonic Lumix G7 is a feature-packed mirrorless camera, ideal for both photography and video enthusiasts. It boasts a 16-megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor that delivers excellent image quality with sharp detail and vibrant colors. Despite its compact size, the Lumix G7 offers performance comparable to larger DSLR cameras, making it a great choice for those seeking portability without sacrificing quality. One of the standout features of the Lumix G7 is its 4K video recording capability. It captures ultra-high-definition footage, perfect for video creators, vloggers, and anyone who needs professional-level video in a compact package. The camera also offers a 4K photo mode, which allows you to extract 8-megapixel still images from your 4K videos, ensuring you never miss the perfect shot. The depth from defocus (DFD) autofocus system ensures fast and accurate focusing, even when tracking moving subjects. The camera also includes a vari-angle touchscreen for easy framing and shooting at different angles, making it highly versatile for creative photography and video work. With built-in Wi-Fi, the Lumix G7 makes sharing photos and videos quick and convenient. Overall, it's a powerful and affordable option for anyone looking to take their photography or videography to the next level.